Sensormatic Solutions offers an innovative, comprehensive line of labels and smart sensors to help reduce shrink and gain item-level analytics, all while still delivering a seamless experience for shoppers. Our easy-to-apply labels and RFID smart sensors help protect products across a broad range of categories and offer a powerful defense against shoplifting. Sensormatic labels feature exceptional range, sensitivity, tamper resistance, and immunity to nuisance alarms to help reduce shrink and improve the shopper experience. Available in AM, RF, and RFID technologies to support loss prevention and inventory intelligence, our labels provide cost-effective, reliable merchandise protection in a small footprint. Just some of the labels we offer include the unique RF food label, which protects high-value grocery items like meats and cheese, our microwavable safe label that protects expensive food items, the slim profile HBC label that protects small pocketable items like cosmetics and skincare products, and the APX, our best-in-class label which is ideal for source tagging and performs well in retail locations with wide exit detection systems. Our world-class source tagging program helps you reduce in-store label costs, ensure consistent label placement, and streamline the tagging process by having merchandise arrive tagged and ready for the selling floor. Source tag labels can be applied topically, internally to product packaging, or integrated into the actual product itself at time of manufacture, depending on your needs. Be sure to check out Sensormatic's full assortment of labels and smart sensors to see how we can help protect your product categories, increase sales, and optimize labor costs.